Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. I want to be your motivation. Ultimate Love Iyke says as he pens Love Epistle to Theresa. Iyke and Theresa are former love guests on Ultimate Love Show Season 1, which premiered in February. They met on the show as friends before being paired as partners in search of the ultimate prize, which was to find love. Iyke and Theresa were given the couple name Iykeresa and went on to finish the show as the first runner-up behind eventual winners Rosie and Kachin. Since the Ultimate Love show ended, Iyke and Theresa have remained with each other to the admiration of fans. However, Iyke, who is fondly called the Diamond King by fans, took to his official Instagram page to share stunning photos of himself and his partner looking good. In the photos he shared, Iyke was seen wearing an English-styled black suit, while Theresa wore a white bridal gown, which suggested that marriage wouldn't be a bad idea for them, as they look lovable together. Guys, are you sure Iyke and Theresa are not married already? Because I wish for nothing more than seeing them happy with each other. Sharing the photos, Iyke pens a love epistle to Theresa which reads, "I want to be your motivation, inspiration and everything in between. I want to be the reason for your smile, the one who turns your frown upside down. I want to be the one you look up to and the one you desire. To be the voice in your heart telling you what you need to hear. I want you to need me every morning when you wake up, during the day when you've had enough. I want to feel your excitement, to kiss me goodnight after your day has been rough. You are the only one who gets me through. Cheers to a beautiful life. I love you. Powers." Wow. This letter from Iyke to Theresa carried so much emotions that I wish I too have found my own numero uno. Yeah, that's the name Iyke usually calls Theresa. However, let's see what fans had to say about this and the stunning pictures in the screenshots below. Okay, a fan commented and said, "He's crying aloud in this comment section because I'm about to cry." Wow, that was intense. Another one says, "Jesus, you guys will not kill me. See lines, yepa. I'm gonna be alright last. Okay, if you're a true fan of Iykeresa, please don't forget to leave a comment in the section below. And also, if this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.